We've got breaking news on Nvidia here. Shares are heading sharply lower after hours. Steve Kovach's got the details behind the move. Steve.
Hey there, Melissa. Yeah, shares down about 3.5% right now. This is after a 8K filing Nvidia just filed saying they heard from the U.S. government last week saying they need a license to sell H20 chips to China. H20 chips are the ones that were supposed to kind of skirt around some of the most advanced features and be able to be sold into China. That is not happening now, or at least they need a licensing process for it. And now Nvidia says they expect to take a $5.5 billion charge because of the inventory they have stacked up there. You see shares moving down 3.5% now, Melissa.
All right, Steve, thank you. Steve Kovach. So there's some giddiness about an exemption, some sort of a carve-out, but of course there's still the headwind of this license issue.
Well, it goes back and forth. I mean, like yesterday there was news, or Monday or anything. By the way, Chinese supposedly have bought $16 billion of these H20s just in Q1. That's equal to what they bought all of last year. So again, I think these guys were stockpiling in front of these sorts of things. But I would suspect that this is something that is going to carry on over the course of this year. $5 billion, charge. That's not insignificant.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt. Yeah. There's $10.8 billion of lost market cap on this $5 billion of charge. So I don't know if that's an overreaction or if this is just what they think for the shorter term, how big of a charge it would be.
Oh, I see. Whether or not it's just
ongoing?
Yeah, ongoing or, yeah.
We bounced from the August low, from that 90 low. That was the good news. The bad news is, though, it really hasn't been get out of its own way now since January or so. So it's been trading very poorly in an environment until the last couple weeks. It's been somewhat favorable. By the way, that's all the semis, which all traded back down to that prior double tops we talked about. So insignificant, not insignificant, just one more reason to be somewhat concerned, I think, about the name.